Hello, it's Anna Lalupastushenko, and I'm here giving a testimonial after I participated in Rupa Patil Goal Setting 2024 workshop. This is an amazing workshop, and I highly recommend everyone, and especially business owners, to take part and take advantage of this specific workshop. It's nothing like any other workshop you have been before, and I guarantee you will see the benefits right after first 2 minutes. So what you can expect from this workshop to become very successful in 2024. You know the saying that the success favors prepared. So this is exactly the place where you can get prepared for 2024 in the best way. If you have doubts, uncertainty, you don't know what to do, you are not very clear on your goals, and it's like, okay, let's make a plan, maybe a New Year resolution, maybe, like a wish list, and you never achieve 100% of the goals which you have planned from the beginning of the year. This is the case when you need to go to this goal setting workshop even more, because this place, this program, these 90 minutes of your life will change a whole year ahead. You will get full clarity, you will be so much prepared. You will be prepared for anything you need to do, for your financial sphere, for your business, for your personal, spiritual, whatever you want, to achieve in 2024. Is this the way which this workshop is planned and executed will give you the possibility to make your plan, your step-by-step actionable strategy for a whole year right on the workshop. You don't need to spend time after it. You can of course improve, but you can learn right during this workshop. The interaction, the participation, the way Rupa teaches how to do this goal setting, it's amazing. You have never seen it before. And I absolutely recommend you to take 90 minutes of your life to book urgently this place at this workshop and run and get ready for 2024 and become very successful in your personal or in your business life, and use this strategy for the next years to come to skyrocket your life and your business and be as successful as you want to be, because the strategies she gives work and you definitely can succeed if you follow them. So go to this workshop. Once again, Rupa Patil Goal Setting 2024 workshop is the best place you can go, and it's the best gift you can do for yourself and for your business. See you there.